Hello, fellow students and Dr. Daniel. It's a pleasure to present to you my video for Forum 6. The topic I've chosen for this forum is Tailoring Agile Framework for Organizations. In brief, I consider tailoring to mean the same as customizing and or adapting. That means to tailor an agile framework is either to adapt it to suit the needs and characteristics of the organization, or it could mean to substitute one agile framework for another agile framework that is more suitable or more compatible with the organization's strategies. Now, what is the rationale for tailoring agile frameworks? It may arise from the complexities arising from the organization's operations. So the organization might think of adopting or adapting its processes to make it simpler, to make it more compatible, and to make it easier to perform its activities and operations. It may also mean to address the constraints of one framework or the other. That is, in case the organization already deals with, organization is already having one agile framework, and it realizes that it is not measuring to its expectations, the organization might decide to switch it. That is to adapt or to adopt another framework. Now, if the organization's adapted or tailors its framework, what are the benefits? The benefit may be enhanced performance. Perhaps by adopting, or sorry, by customizing its performance, it may be able to have a free um, chance of performing better. It may have access to better opportunities, and it may also have access to a better framework with better facilities and operational processes. It may also achieve alignment with its operations. That is, if one framework doesn't align with its operation, then it might decide to look at another framework that may be more suitable, that may align better with its structures and operations. Now, what are the challenges for embarking on tailoring? The primary challenge might be the difficulty in substituting one framework for another. For example, if the organization wants to switch from Scrum to Safe, those are two quite different frameworks, and the um, processes are a little bit different. So it will take some time to adjust. Also, there are the environmental factors to take into consideration. That's external um, stakeholders, regulations, and other encumbrances that might crop up. It may also require intensive knowledge to adapt to a new form of framework. If the organization is already utilizing one framework, which is simpler or easier, then switching to another operation, another framework might require a more intensive technical knowledge or more um, intensive expertise. Now, the question requires some casework or case studies. And in this sense, I have selected, I came across a company known as Vanguard Group. Vanguard is financial organization, a very huge insurance organization. Now, Vanguard started with Scrum, and with Scrum, it utilized sprint processes, the stand-up meetings, use iterations and flexibility of Scrum to achieve some degree of success. However, Vanguard realized that Scrum was not effective enough to enable it to compete effectively in investment environment, and therefore is decided to switch a framework that is more compatible with its needs. Therefore, Vanguard decided on adopting Kanban. Kanban was more um, compatible with its needs. Kanban has better, operational processes. For example, by customization, um, Vanguard adapted a continuous flow model of Kanban to enhance its response to customers. By customization, it was able to, by using Kanban, it was able to customize its visual management system. And this enables all stakeholders to be able to take a view or look directly at the operations as it is happening. We call it real time. It also limits work in progress. It customizes work in progress such that the work in progress is minimized. And by minimizing work in progress, is able to reduce cost of inventory. And in that sense, was able to have enough pro product to sell at a faster rate to meet market demands. It is also able to achieve a shorter project time cycle. With this tailorization, Vanguard has been able to achieve tremendous success. It was able to deliver products at a faster rate, and it was able to grow faster and stronger and more successful. and more competitive. Thank you.